Now before I jump in and show you ThemeMaker in action and all of the incredible things you can do with it, I want to tell you a little bit about us. Over 30,000 websites use our products and over 150 customers have given us a 5-star review. And these reviews were from customers who have been using our products for over 3 years. We listen to our customers and constantly innovate, update and support our products. So now you know who we are, let me show you ThemeMaker and how you can stop wasting money on WordPress themes and start building your own exactly the way you want. You can always uninstall and install another one. Now the first powerful feature inside ThemeMaker is the options panel. This is where we set up the defaults for our WordPress theme to use. So we can set the main colors that our website's going to be using, the font, the buttons, the layout, our logos, so that when we start creating our theme, we haven't got to be messing about with setting fonts, finding colors. We can just jump in and start creating. The next feature we have is the template creator, and there is nothing else on the market that has this. This allows you to create the templates for all your pages to use, your posts to use, your search page, your category, all from directly inside this section. And for more advanced users, you can even create your own post loops. Now for beginners, we have a wizard for you to use to create your theme. And all we need to do is click Page Wizard. The wizard will load up and now we can design our theme visually and get the structure of the page exactly how we want it. Instead of messing about with a pre-made theme where you're deleting bits that you don't like, we can plan our page exactly the way we want it. So I can open the categories, I can select headers, and I can drop this header on with an opt-in form. Bam. Next I can go, I want some content, and I can go right, I like this one, so I want that section there. Bam. I can open this up, I can say I want a blog. I can go right, I want this blog and I want it below there. Done. And of course we can preview in real time on mobile, tablet and desktop. Once we've structured the page how we want, we can add our footer. And our theme's ready to go and ready to customize. Now all of these colors are automatically using the ones that we've already set up inside the theme options panel. Once we have the page structured exactly how we want it, we click Generate Page, and then we can go in and customize the content. Now for intermediate users, we have a framework, and this basically creates your pages and your templates so that all you have to do is jump in and start customizing. And I show you how to take the framework and turn it into this without ever writing a line of code.